The Indian government has now delivered a telling blow from which China may take several years to recover. Daya Krishnan Chauhan, New Delhi. The relationship between India and China, which is plagued by mutual mistrust at the best of times, has plunged to a new low in recent days. The military confrontation in northern Sikkim, in which Indian troops injured 7 Chinese soldiers, was followed by another incident in Ladakh when fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force were forced to conduct increased patrolling after Chinese helicopters flew too close to the border. However, the Indian government has now delivered a telling blow from which China may take several years to recover. If the attack by Indian Army commandos inside Pakistan occupied Kashmir was called a surgical strike, this latest action may be described as an economic version of the same. The Indian government has launched an endeavor to attract more than 1,000 foreign companies who are currently using China as a manufacturing base. The global coronavirus pandemic, which originated from the city of Wuhan, has done a lot of damage to China's image and its relations with many countries, with several countries around the world accusing China of deliberately spreading the COVID-19 virus and deciding to curtail or at least reduce economic ties. The Chinese economy is in for a severe shock. Several international companies have also decided to move their operations out of China and move to other Asian countries. In such a scenario, this latest move by the Indian government will come as a blow to China. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also announced several other measures which may deliver a further blow to China. Surgical strike on China. During his address to the nation, Prime Minister Modi made it clear that the government will now focus more on local production. The Prime Minister emphasized on self-reliance and stressed the importance of bolstering local supply chains. It is clear from these things of the Prime Minister that now the goods of our own needs be made in the country and an attempt is made to make them recognized in the world. Prime Minister Modi made China the main target during his speech because so far most of the goods in the country come from China and we depend on it. But the Prime Minister asserted that the situation has changed after the arrival of coronavirus outbreak. The PM said that when the coronavirus crisis started, not a single personal protection equipment kit was produced in India. Also, very few N95 masks were produced in India. Today, the situation is that 2 lakh PPE and 2 lakh N95 masks are being made in India every day, after which it is clear that if India wishes, it can become self-sufficient and imports from China can be stopped or at least reduced to a significant extent. Through these initiatives, a big blow could be dealt to the Chinese economy. The Prime Minister reminded that once he had appealed to the countrymen to use khadi, there has been a record jump in khadi sales and production. With this, khadi has got a new identity in the world too. In such a situation, the PM has made it clear that in the coming times, India will give itself a new momentum by becoming self-sufficient. India imports these items from China.